So the IRS started a strategy, and it was called the Small Business Self-Employed Strategy. Because, all you small businessmen are stuffing cash under your mattress and not paying your taxes. So they had this task force, and it went for 7 years. It was another Obama thing. So Obama was going to get all the evil businessmen that were putting their money in foreign countries, and then he was going to get the small businessmen who was receiving a lot of his revenue in cash and hiding it and not paying it. And it was supposed to be those with incomes of 200,000 plus. So this is a hallmark of the IRS. 73% of the audits were of those with incomes less than $200,000. Now, Joe Biden is promising that nobody below 400,000 is going to pay a penny or get audited. Don't believe it for a second. We're going to get to why they're not going to audit the people who make 400,000 or more. They're going to pound on the people that are easy pickings, and those are the ones that are lower on the income ladder. Another problem they had is for people that own jewelry stores, gas stations, restaurants, the types of businesses that the IRS and apparently the Democrats don't like. They would seize property, and it was based on the forms of you have to turn a form in if you have $10,000 more or more of cash that you deposit. So they were, I guess, when they didn't see these forms for certain businesses, they would go in and seize their property, mostly their cash. And most of the targeted people had not committed any crimes. They just happened to own these businesses that the IRS didn't like. Many of them didn't get their cash back. Now, here's something you need to know about the IRS. They don't have to pay attorney's fees if they lose. So in criminal actions, you're innocent until you're proven guilty. In tax matters, you're guilty until you prove yourself innocent. So you need to hire a lawyer, you got to get an accountant, you got to go to tax court. And if you win, you don't get your attorney's fees back from the IRS. And that's why they act the way that they do. And the people that didn't get their property tax, the few that did, had to hire lawyers. And these are people who won their tax case with the IRS. And they had to sue the IRS in a second case to recover their property. Kind of a bad situation. But in essence, the IRS oftentimes is the 800-pound bully on the playground.